Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. God bless you all. Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing, most attractive designs of cup coasters. Please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. It's totally handmade collection viewers. You can see all the designs very attractive and amazing, beautiful and cool designs. So you will share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of cup coasters ideas, handmade crochet cup coasters especially. I really hope that they will love these amazing collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and most amazing designs. You can must apply these attractive designs and must make these beautiful designs for your home's beauty, your table's beauty. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an most amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay my lovely viewers, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.